simplify, slow down, and enjoy life. Living mindfully and minimally, I've noticed that it has been the small, everyday things that make the biggest impact on my life. Repeating the tiny actions over time become habits, and eventually, a lifestyle. Although I tend to take big leaps of faith with my life, like selling everything and traveling abroad, I'll leave a link for those videos below. When I want to improve my life, I actually focus on baby steps. I realize that if I want positive change in my life, it's up to me to change. I find that small changes are easier to make and to follow through with. It's the tiny things that compound over time. These are a few tiny lifestyle adjustments that have improved my life. True life is lived when tiny changes occur. Before I became a minimalist in 2008, I often craved more clothes, more cars, more household decor. It took several years to break this desire of consumption. Focusing on the essentials instead of the wants brings me a sense of contentment. By only owning the essentials, I have a greater appreciation for what I have. Nothing goes to waste or is unused. Essentialism has saved me money, but more importantly, it has quieted the insecure voice that believes my self-worth lies outside of me. Food is something that our lives revolve around and impacts our health, money, and time. Always keeping healthy food stocked in the kitchen makes meals and snacks easy. If I'm leaving the house for a long day, I take a few minutes to pack a lunch or a snack, including water. Homemade meals are good for both my health and my wallet. By walking, I eliminate the commute to the gym, the expense of the membership, and chaos of the crowds. Exercise and fresh air are essential for my mental and physical well-being. Stepping outside my front door for a simple walk in nature, I accomplish two things that nourish me: exercise and connection with Mother Earth. The smell of the spring flowers, the sound of the bird song. In the serene Spanish countryside, my stress simply melts away. Minimalism isn't only about letting go of physical possessions. Mental clutter can also affect my happiness and joy. We can hold on to regrets from the past and worries about the future until our minds become overthinking hoarders. Surrendering my overthinking is one habit that is a tiny constant mental exercise. Always mindfully aware of the mental loop that plays on repeat and gently nudging it to the present moment. Letting go of mental clutter makes the biggest impact on my daily happiness. I value a tidy, clutter-free home. The less clutter, the more relaxed I feel. A tiny habit to achieve this is to give everything a place where it belongs. Shoes go by the front door, keeping them picked up and easy to find. Simply enjoy life and the great pleasures that come with it. The simpler my pleasures, the richer I am, both in peace of mind and money. Instead of looking to be constantly entertained by my phone or seeking out extravagant entertainment, I find joy in simple moments. Slowing down, as to become present, is many times all it takes to bring happiness into my day. Noticing the smell and taste of a cup of tea on a patio in the sun can be truly enjoyable. Simple pleasure is about seeing life and embracing its beauty. Improving our lives doesn't have to be a giant, overwhelming task. It can be tiny steps and actions toward the life we want to live. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing. Have a beautiful day, my friends.